Hello, hi everyone. My name is Ishan Ahmad. My student ID is 1441024. In this video, I'm going to apply few anti-forensics techniques to recover the evidence. And in this video, I'm going to use wireshark, network miner, and we are going to use Google as well to recover some of the evidence. So firstly, I have two different operating systems into virtual machine, Kali and Ubuntu. Firstly, we will get their IP address in, then we will monitor the traffic in wireshark. So in the Ubuntu terminal, I'm actually pinging the Kali with the IP address 192.168.10.9, and I'm doing the same in Kali terminal. And actually we have to start the wireshark before that. So what the thing is, we are actually getting all the traffic, all the monitoring here in wireshark. As we know that this IP address belongs to Kali with 192.168.10.9, and with the .6 at the end belong to Ubuntu. So we can actually see all the ICMP packets being received and sent to each other, and then we can actually look at some other information as well. On the bottom, if we click on anything, we have some other information about them. So for example, if somebody is logging into any file or any server or net banking, we can see the details in here. So like this is a way we can actually monitor the things, and we can actually recover the evidence in this way by using this technique. Now in my second technique, I'm actually running a wireshark onto my main machine on Windows 10 on the main laptop screen, and then I will be downloading some stuff from the Google. Let's say I will download a sample text file. I will actually download 2 or 3 different files from the Google, and then I will try to recover them by using wireshark different techniques. So here I will actually save as leave the same name, or maybe we can change the name too. And now I will actually download any random image file from the Google. Let's say I want to download this image, and then I will save image as, save it up, and then I will download maybe a PDF file as well. A sample PDF file. We are just testing, so in here it is taking a little bit extra time. I want to make the video more shorter, but I have to wait here. So actually we download this file too. I keep it anywhere, and then I can show you that like this is the folder I'm going to use, Google Pics. And now what we have to do, go to file, go to export objects, because of some reasons it did not really go through, so I will try another time. I will search any random image file. I will download the image file for another time from the Google, and we just download any image file. We save image as, save it anywhere. Then we can actually search any sample PDF file. Sometimes we don't really get all the data. It depends on multiple factors actually. We can try another image. Save images. And then we just go to file. We can stop it right here. We go to file, we go to export objects, and then we go to HTTP stream. We can see these 2 files have been captured in wireshark, and then we save them in particular folder. I will save them in Google Pics, as I shown you before, there is not anything in that folder. Over here we have got these two files. We will see, yeah, we can see this is the image we downloaded from the browser before. We will try the other image as well. So like this is the second image we downloaded from the browser. So we can see this is actually a technique we can use to recover the evidence which we our victim have downloaded from any of the system. For my third and fourth technique, I'm doing both of them together. I will start the wireshark file another time, and what I will do, I will have to access any FTP server and I need to download any file from them. So I have got some information about the FTP server here. And this, I just have to copy paste this link, and whenever I try to access this server, it will require the password and username. The password and username is demo and the password is password. So when I put any username demo, password is password. When I do that, I will be able to get the username and password right here. And then whenever I download any file from the server, I would be able to recover the file in here into the wireshark actually. So hopefully I'm just trying to download the file from FTP server. Like in these two techniques, I will be recovering the password and username, and in the next technique I will be actually trying to recover this file which I downloaded from the FTP server. I will download it from anywhere, and then what I do, I will just search the username and password here. So in here we can see that this is the username. Other transaction we can see here in the TCP protocol. In here we can see the acknowledgement sequence, a Windows update. We try to we send the request, we got the response back from the FTP server, and then request was user. We put the demo, which is a username, and then we put the password was required. Then we put the password, which is password. So we can see this is like where we can get the username and password. And in the next technique, so in here we can filter the request as well. We can write the IP address in the bar or any other protocol. So I can see like from the FTP server the data I got. These are the 4 files. I believe that these 4 files are same. So this is the way how we can actually get the data from here. Follow TCP stream, and then actually what we do, we can actually save it, save as, give it any name, and I have to go to here and then open, then save it. Then I can open up the server, and then we can actually give it extension the txt. We can actually try to open it up, and this is like data we got from there. We can also try to recover another file, TCP stream. This is the actually message, save as, and then we can give it any name .txt, save this file, and then we can open up this folder and we can open this file. We have got this message. Just make sure that this is actually the same message which is over there in the browser when we download it. So this was our 4th technique, and in the 5th technique what we're doing, in the 5th technique I have this pcaf file which I will open up in network miner. So I will just wait for it to open up, as it takes like a few minutes to open. Actually this is a bigger size. So here you go, our processing just got completed. We have got the pcaf file into network miner. We can see the messages here. In the message we can see whatever the response was, like this is the message being sent to someone, and different message, different